Hi and welcome. My name is Paul Butler. I'm the Chief Executive of the North East Automotive Alliance. We're here today at South Tyneside Council's Town Hall for a careers fair for the automotive and advanced manufacturing sector across the North East. This is a culmination of a project we've been leading, which has been funded through the South Tyneside UK Shared Prosperity Fund. And it's a project around looking at inclusivity within advanced manufacturing. So we've been working with a consortium of organisations looking at raising awareness of career opportunities in the automotive sector, promoting the benefits of work within the sector and those future growth plans. We've got 20 organisations here today talking about the career opportunities that exist within their own organisations.
Hi, so I'm Dylan from Quartz Future. So in partnership with the North East Automotive Alliance and South Tyneside Council, we've been delivering a project which is the Inclusivity Project in Advanced Manufacturing. So we've been working with a lot of employers from the advanced manufacturing and automotive sectors over the last few months to help them engage with residents of South Tyneside and help support them to find careers in the sector. We've got lots of employers from the sector who are attending, who are talking through their recruitment practices, their plans for this year, and as I say, the great career opportunities that they have available. And we've had lots of people turn up so far from South Shields and Jarrow and Hebburn to talk to the employers from the sector, and hopefully over the next couple of months these people will find work in the sector and develop their careers there.
Hi, I'm the Careers Advisor from South Tyneside College and I'm here to support the careers event that's on today. It's been absolutely brilliant. We've had loads of really interesting conversations and even talking to sort of the other companies on the stands. There's some amazing opportunities for our residents of South Tyneside. So it's just all working together to help us make the most of them. At the college we have a range of different courses linked to manufacturing, engineering, motor vehicle, so we can really support people to make the most of the exciting opportunities that are out there.
My name is Mark Topping. I work for Magno Exteriors in Sunderland. We've been invited here today at the South Shields Town Hall to support the local area. We have a lot of our employees who work in Magno Exteriors who come from this area, so South Shields, Hebburn, Jarrow. I think it's really important for connections, networking, and we are part of the North East Automotive Alliance. So I think it's very important to come to events like this, again, to network and find out exactly what else is out there and available.